Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and if you want to have the ability to increase the comfort of any chair in your home, then I definitely recommend this Benazcap memory foam cushion. I find this cushion has the perfect amount of density for me because it's not too soft, but it also has enough firmness so that it feels really supportive. I love that the memory foam is completely encased with an outer cover that has a zipper on it, so I can easily remove it and clean the outside anytime I need to. I have a few chairs in my home that I feel like need a little bit of extra cushioning, so this cushion definitely comes to the rescue for me. It fits on my favorite rocking chair, and it also fits on an accent chair that I think looks really nice but isn't the most comfortable. But with this cushion, it makes it way more comfortable. It's also excellent for adding a little bit of extra support around the dining room table, since we do have some friends that suffer from back issues, so I really appreciate having this cushion on hand for them. If you have chronic back problems, or if you have a temporary back issue because maybe you overdid it a little bit, or if you just want extra cushioning for your chairs at home, in my opinion, this Benazcap memory foam cushion is the answer to all of that. And that's my point of view.